no lights on. Another one with no lights. Jump in the lights, no lights on. No lights on and jump in the lights. Another idiot with no lights on. There's one with no lights on the pavement. No lights. What an idiot. What an absolute punk. Look at that, no light at the front and white light at the back. What a wally. Another one with no lights. Another one there with no lights. Playing with her phone as well. Unregistered motor vehicle with no lights. Another one there with no lights. One with no lights there. There's one there with no rear lights. And he's on the pavement as well. What a dick. Another one there with no lights. Another one with no lights. Another one with no lights. And now he's on the pavement. One with no lights there. Oh, we got ninjas. One on an illegal motorbike. And one on a bike. Looked like he had a rear light but no front light. Oh, he's got no rear light there. There's another two on the pavement there. There's another one with no lights. Another couple of idiots with no lights. Oh, there's one there with no lights. What's the odds? About 100%, I would say. No lights on and jump in the lights. No lights and jump in the lights. Another one there with no lights. No lights, jump in the lights. Another twat with no lights on there. Hope you get by a bus, you scumbag. Another twat with no lights on. This one doesn't even know what the handlebars are for. Another one with no lights. One there with no lights. Another one with no lights. Another one with no lights. Another one there with no lights. No light on. Jump in the lights. No lights on. Illegal motor vehicle. He's got a front light but no rear light. And then we got another one there with no lights. This one here's got no lights. No lights, illegal motor vehicle, no lights. Ah, this one looks like he's got a rear light but no front light.